In this video, I'll show you how to get a 30-day free trial on TradingView. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss anything important. First, create a TradingView account and sign in. Once you're logged in, head over to the TradingView homepage. There, you'll see an Upgrade Now button that mentions a 30-day free trial. Click on that to continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose a plan. You can select either a monthly or an annual plan. If you choose the monthly option, you'll clearly see the Try Free for 30 days button. On the annual plan, this option may appear either at the top or the bottom of the page. After selecting Try Free for 30 days, TradingView will ask for your billing details, including your billing address and payment information. Don't worry, your card will not be charged immediately. You'll also be shown the exact date when your next payment will be due, which will be after the 30-day trial period. Once you complete these steps, your free trial will be activated successfully. That's it. Now you can enjoy all the premium features of TradingView for 30 days at no cost. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.